What is going on, you guys? Happy Sunday, Big Z here from Bengali, and welcome to another tutorial with Big Z. Yes, I've been away for a while. I was very busy with my Toronto Raptors and their playoff run. We finally won with the champion now in the NBA. Great news and everything. But I haven't forgotten about you guys, okay? First thing first, thank you very much for giving me 100 subscribers. You guys have been subscribing, you guys have been watching my videos. I really appreciate it. As a result, I've created a Facebook page as well. Learn Bengali is the same name. The link is in the description. You can also find that in the channel page. There's also an Instagram page I've created. I haven't decided what to post there yet, but yeah, just give me ideas and let me know what to do with that Instagram page, right? Also, like and follow my Facebook page, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. All right, you guys? Thank you very much. So, what are we covering today? I'm going to go over the to be verb in Bengali. Unlike English, the to be verbs are not so important in Bengali. You just learn about them, but you don't use it when you're making a sentence, actually. You know, I think unlike English and Spanish, because I remember when I took Spanish, I learned about the to be verbs in Espanol, but in Bengali it's a little different. It's you don't use it when you're making sentences and stuff. But I'm gonna go over that anyway. So let's get started on that one. Hey. All right. So here we are. To be. Hawa. Hawa. So it's the ha, o, and unterstio akar, hawa. And I just used the o here because if you use, this is the accented o. I'm pretty sure this is Spanish or French. Oh, I'm not so sure, man. Now I'm not sure. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure. So I don't want to use this o here because it's not. It's mostly like ho, but we're talking about hawa, hawa, right? So that's why I'm not using this o. So just remember it's hawa, hawa, okay? And here we are. I am is ami hoi, ami hoi. Did I get right? Yeah. You are is to me how. So the other o I use the same o as this o. Man, I need to learn about this o. I'm telling you. Pretty sure that's a French o. I don't know. But remember, just listen to me. To be is hawa, hawa, okay? And I am is ami hoi. You are is to me how, okay? And you are, the formal version is apni hon, right? Now we got he or she is, she hoy. So this is like Spanish. I'm pretty sure it means today in Espanol. Hoy is something, yeah, today. But no, it's hoy, okay? She hoy. So this is the ho and still here, hoy. And then we got here she sleeps. Tini, what the okay, this is that's a mistake, okay. Okay, change it to here. Here she is, okay, that's better. Tini hon, right? Tini hon. So this is not han in Spanish. In English we say honey and then han, but no, that's not right. It's hon. Maybe I should use the other over here as well. But you guys get it, right? Okay. Tini hon, right? We are is amra hoi. Okay, amra hoi. And then tomra ho, that's the plural of you, which is up here. And then you are, the formal version is apnara hon, not han, it's hon, okay? And then you got they are tara hoy, tara, but remember this is not the to, this is the to here, the toy akar, roy akar, tara, okay? And ho and unterstio hoy. And then you got they are, which is tara hon, so that's the formal version of this basically, right? Okay, so let's go over that one more time here. Ami hoi, tumi hao, apni hon, she hoy, tini hon, amra hoi, tomra hao, apnara hon, tara hoy, tara hon. Right? Makes sense? I hope it makes sense. Now I'm going to extend it a little bit here. Okay, so come here. If you scroll down here, not come here. Look at that. I am a boy. What the heck did I do here? I am a boy here. Look at that. I am a boy. So see, in English you can just extend this I am part, this part here, right? And add a boy, and then you make a sentence, right? But in Bengali you don't do that. Ami hoi ekti balok doesn't make much sense. Okay, just to let you know, I am a boy is ami ekti balok. Okay, so that's why, yeah, it doesn't make sense. Ami hoi ekti balok doesn't make sense. So we just get rid of this hoi part, and then we got ami ekti balok. I just wrote that down in Bengali this time. I'm definitely going to provide you with the English version of this, like the for your pronunciation purposes, okay? But I'm just giving you an idea of what's going on in Bengali, right? So we don't add the hoi part here, okay? So it's like ami ekti balok, but in English we just extend it after am, we just add whatever, like a boy, and then I have two other examples here, like you are a girl, right? So up here you see you are, and so they just extended this part, like you are a girl, okay? Tumi ekti balika. So that's the Bengali version of that. And then we have we are boys, right? We are boys right here. You can see that, I'm pretty sure. And one way of saying that in Bengali is amra chele, just like that, amra chele, right? So boys can be translated in many ways in Bengali and in Spanish, I'm pretty sure, and some other languages out there, absolutely. But that's one way of saying it in Bengali, okay? We are boys, amra chele, right? Just like that. So remember that this is boys, this is plural here. I didn't even change it from singular to plural in Bengali, right? So that's one thing to keep in mind. It gets tricky. This language gets tricky, you know. As you go down the road, it's not easy. That's all I can tell you. That's all I can tell you. You know, it's not easy, but that's one way of saying it. Okay, we are boys, amra chele, and yeah, I hope it makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Shoot me a message on Facebook, Instagram, and yeah. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Big see out.